Hello everybody, welcome to MS Craftshop. I want to show you the new products from the craft.o.clock that I recently received. Let's check out this fantastic holiday-themed collection named Seaside Greetings. This gorgeous collection of papers and extras enables enormous possibilities to express your creativity. Do you feel the sea breeze and the scent of the ocean? Do you feel the sun and holiday adventure? For me, personally, this is one of the most beautiful seaside-themed collections. Colors, compositions, and individual elements that make up the whole make this collection exceptional, and I love it. The collection offers 3 sets of papers in different sizes: 15 and 25 cm by 15 and 25 cm, 20 and 3 cm by 20 and 3 cm, and 30.5 cm by 30.5 cm. All the sheets in the set have exactly the same design. The only difference between the sets is the extras available on the other sides of the covers. The smallest and the middle set of paper includes 24 double-sided papers. To be more precise, 6 designs with 4 double-sided sheets per design. The largest set includes 6 double-sided papers, 12 designs in total. While the smallest paper is perfect for card making, larger papers will be excellent for albums, journals, and bigger projects. The Seaside Greetings collection offers extras to cut. Here you can find all the necessary graphics to make beautiful holiday projects: shelves, coral reefs, ships, lifebuoys, anchors, and many others. The set includes 18 double-sided pages, 9 designs with 2 double-sided sheets per design. The extras sets and the Craft.o.clock Basic Mood collections complement each other perfectly. This extra set is fantastic for holiday albums and journals. There are pockets, envelopes, tags and cards, which will be very useful in making a photo album or junk journal. This extra set includes 12 double-sided pages, 6 designs with 2 double-sided sheets per design. And don't forget about the new holiday inscriptions that I already presented in my previous video. These are high-quality 3mm stick cardboard die cuts that will complete each holiday project. I hope you like this new collection from Craft.o.clock as I do. I wish you happy crafting and see you in the next video.